When we talk about butterfly gardens, we're really talking about more than just butterflies. There's a lot of pollinator insects, bees, flies, little beetles that really love these plants. They come to the plants for nectar, which is a carbohydrate source, and they also come for the pollen, which is a source of protein. Now, lady beetles will come when they can't find aphids, they'll feed on protein to get them by. Anything in the carrot family, like this parsley here, they have flat umbel-like flowers, and they have little tiny blossoms that the little parasitoid bees and the hoverflies can feed on. So you look here, you'll see just could be dozens of little tiny insects. The parasitoid wasps are important because it gives them energy, that nectar, then they can go lay their eggs on caterpillars and do some biological control. The key to having a garden that's good for the bugs is have things blooming from early spring throughout the summer and into the fall, like asters in the fall. You want things that are going to attract all kinds of insects, and many of them are going to be beneficial or pollinators.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.